has an appointment set up for the 25th of January.
At 3 o'clock. I did everything I was supposed to, besides the missing.
He said he did reach out to try to call probation also.
And it's multiple.
He wasn't supposed to have an appointment set up. He was supposed to have the appointment done and be ready for sentencing today.
Yep.
Sir, could you please state your name?
Devin Andrews.
Thank you. What pronoun do you use?
It's nothing specific.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In the chambers of Judge Washington, today's docket features a pair of cases that unfold in a cloud of confusion. The first defendant missed several probation-mandated tests, and he can't seem to get his story straight about why that was. Meanwhile, the second defendant introduces a different twist, expressing ambiguity about the gender pronouns by which the court should address him by. In a courtroom setting where precision is paramount, this novel challenge raises questions about clarity and communication. Will Judge Washington be able to unravel the knots of confusion and navigate these puzzling cases, getting to the truth? Stay tuned to find out.
Rachel McDuffie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Cecilia Cotton.
Yes.
Thank you. All right. We have passed this so you could talk to him about his violations.
As to the bond violation, he's going to admit with explanation.
All right, sir. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. My understanding, you're going to be admitting to the violation with an explanation.
Yes, ma'am.
Admit that on November 15th, December 5th, and December 8th, you missed your alcohol testing.
Your Honor, yes, ma'am. I'm admitting to the first one. The first one I made because I didn't have the money. So the agent or the lady at the drop place, she reset it. She reset it for Thursdays because of the job that I worked and how I got paid. I was on random dropping. The other one that I missed was on December. It was December 7th. I think it was 7th.
December 5th.
Yeah, it had to be. She had to push it back because of my check thing, and I was supposed to go the day that I came and went to court for y'all. So I'm admitting that I did miss him. And she has it noted in her thing that she had to switch it because of my payment. It
is in here. It says it was scheduled for
because I didn't have the money, so they denied me going. And I did get in touch with the other. Well, this is only on this, so let me show you.
And how did you miss December 8th?
I didn't know because it was on random. I called her. I had called up there. I'm on random, so whenever they called, the C or the R was my days for dropping. And I had called her, and she told me just come on my next random whatchamacallit. But and then I had to call Matt, the dude, Mr. Matt, and set up my other appointments. And I have that set up for January 25th at 3. I guess he's a drug. I guess that's the dude that I was supposed to talk to from the last one you said when I was supposed to call Miss Shannon, or I don't know her last name. I can't pronounce it. The probation lady.
All right. I accept that there has been a willing and knowing admission to the violation of probation. Are you satisfied, Ms. McDuffie?
People are satisfied. Or I think it's was he sentenced yet?
Bond.
Yeah. Yeah. People are satisfied.
Defense is satisfied.
All right. As to the failure to appear for the sentencing, the report is correct. I told him if he didn't make this next sentencing, he'd be doing it from the jail. And I see he didn't do that.
What next? What's next? Whatchamacallit? I haven't missed any I didn't miss anything else, Your Honor. I called the lady Shannon, Miss Shannon, like you told me. I set up my appointment with Matt, and my appointment is on the 25th.
Yes, he was supposed to set up his mental health appointment by this court date. He did try to continually call Matt and Statman. They finally did call him back. He has an appointment set up for the 25th of January.
At 3 o'clock. I did everything I was supposed to. Besides the
He
missing
said
of the
he did reach out to try to call probation also.
and it's
The
multiple.
wasn't
I- I-
supposed to have an appointment set up. He was supposed to have the appointment done and be ready for sentencing today.
I understand.
That wasn't my fault, Your Honor. I've called Mr. Matt. Never. You have to call him, and it comes up as Google. Then you say your name, and then he picks up or he doesn't. I've left him buku messages. The first time I got a chance to get in contact with him, he set up my date for the 25th.
I do know that they are busy and with the holidays.
You can call him yourself and ask. He set it up for the 25th. So I mean, I don't know what else to do, Your Honor.
Ms. McDuffie?
Your Honor, I don't have any issue as long as the appointment is actually set up. Is there any sort of confirmation that Mr. Cotton?
I can give you, yes, ma'am. I can give you a number.
Mr. Cotton, let her talk, please.
Oh,
We might have to do some impulse control. Just hold on. So if there's any type of proof or evidence that he got from them and he can submit that to the court, I certainly don't have an issue as long as the appointment is made. And as long as if he didn't start calling very at the last minute leading up to this, then I'm fine with it. It sounds like he's been trying to get the appointment set. So if there's anything that we can review to look at the fact that appointment actually exists, I'm good.
yeah.
I do believe he's been calling. He was very adamant when I called him the other day. As you said, with impulse control, he was very adamant and basically yelling about it. That he
I got
has
a lot
called
going on.
earlier, over and over. And so I can try to contact them and see if there's anything they can send.
Sentencing in this matter will be February 15th, 2024 at 10 o'clock a.m. Mr. Cotton, please get proof of
Yes, ma'am.
to your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Line is continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir. Versus Devin Andrews, 18W005179 and 18S3285204.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Mr. Jordan requesting to practice under MCR 8.120 under the direct supervision of Davi Lebo.
Permission is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have spoken with Mr. Andrews, and they state to me that he has not been able to make a payment at the moment. He is dealing with housing issues as he was injured in November and unable to work, as well as his roommate moved out of the home. He states that he can make a payment this week on the 13th of $50 or $25. I apologize. Actually, on tomorrow of $25 on this case.
$25 on both cases.
Yes, ma'am, on both cases. I apologize.
Sir, could you please state your name?
Devin Andrews.
Thank you. What pronoun do you use?
It's nothing specific.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Just gonna schedule it out to give time to pay. We'll put this over to April 8th.
Okay.
2024 at 10 a.m. Hopefully, you can get back on schedule by then, okay?
Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you then.
See you.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.